Hello and welcome to another update video on XRP. So yeah, we are here on the XRP short-term chart and we can see a possible 5-wave move to the upside that's currently unfolding, potential 5-wave move. We don't have 5 waves yet. And so I said to you yesterday, I mean, it does look visually maybe like a 5-wave move, but it just doesn't have the right proportions because what we normally see is that the third wave is clearly the longest one. In this case, if we already call this 5 waves, we would say 1, 2, 3, somewhere here the third wave finished, a bit messy, 4, 5. And the third wouldn't be clearly the longest. It might still be the longest, but it's not, the proportions are just not right. Normally what we want to see is certain Fibonacci extensions reached and so on. That's not clearly the case. Now, with that one more high, we would have a clearer 5-wave move, but I also have to say that in this cycle, a lot of reversals failed after 3 waves. So again, it's a key spot here. Yeah, I'm not predicting a 5th wave, just saying, look, this is the support zone. And so far, I haven't got, in the member update earlier today, I said I haven't got any evidence that the wave 4 has bottomed. Okay, so micro support is between $2.07 and $2.18, and this zone needs to hold to keep the idea alive that we might get a 5th wave to the upside. So if we start to break, though, below $2.07, again, things are starting to look, or things are going to look, a little bit more grim for the bulls and a bit more difficult, and a test of the 21st of November low will become more probable. We might test the lower support area again, potentially even reach the $1.77 area. But from an Elliott Wave point of view, and this is also educational, it's always important to understand that without a clear 5-wave move up, especially after a correction, I mean, this correction started more than a month ago, right? So 13th of October. So, after that correction, obviously this is an interesting bounce, but it's still way too small. It's way too small. It's not even a clear 5-wave move. So without that, there's really no evidence of a low. Yeah, we can track it and everything, and we can track the waves, but really, let's say the high probability setup usually only comes with a clear 1-2 setup. With only 3 waves up, it's just a bit more difficult. So anyway, upside support, upside continuation support is here. If we break below it, I'll start focusing again on the lower support area. We could still, as an alternative, consider a 3-wave move up in wave 1. That would be a more complex pattern, however, a bit more exotic. I don't want to go there now, but it is something that I might have to adopt. But for now, we'll see if we can get 5 waves up. But again, bear in mind, the main element of the trend is normally in the 3rd wave. Anything afterwards, a lot of traders don't even trade the 5th wave anymore, right? Because they get out. It's just because often the 4th doesn't hold support. The 5th wave is often weak anyway. Because think about it. Even like some people trade breakouts, right? Like if you trade the breakout above the 3rd wave high, the 5th might just give us a marginally higher high and then break down. So literally the reward to risk ratio is typically quite miserable in such a 4th wave. Normally, we say the ideal target, ideal support for a 4th wave is the 38.2 retracement at $2.12. From experience, I can tell you if I don't see a clear reaction there, it's often the case that the structure fails and that, the top is in. Whatever that might mean, it might mean another low, it might mean a more complex pattern, but the impulse, that would be the cleanest pattern, the strongest pattern, would then die, okay? So that's what I'm tracking today. Any further updates, you'll get them later on Discord if anything changes. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, check out our Black Friday offers. Currently, we offer 20% additional discount on our annual memberships with the code MCOFAM20. I'll leave a link in the comment section. As I said, you can access our member live streams, you can access a lot of additional updates. All the live charts I show here. You can join the community, you can ask questions there. There's an Elliott Wave course. If you ever wanted to learn Elliott Wave, that's probably the best moment to start. Even some bonus updates on gold, silver. I updated again both already today. So check it out if you're interested. See you there. Thanks so much. Comments, see the comment section for the link. Bye-bye.